Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. So you guys, this video was not planned at all. It was not planned, but as you can see from the title, relax and let's chat. So what are we going to talk about? I wrote down some things that it is really upsetting me in this 2024, and I just need to let it off my chest because you guys, I beg. Some people just need to do better. So, how are you guys doing? How is life treating you? How is the economy treating you? You guys. And also, how is the kids treating? Oh God, the weather is so hot. The weather is so hot that I get confused. Like, as you can see now, there is light, but the weather is hot. And the light is not stable. Like, you guys, what is going on in this country? I don't understand. So just give your opinion in the comment section. And like I said earlier, this video is just me talking about random things and just chatting with you guys because it's been so long. We had conversations, okay? It's been so long, and I really miss sitting down in front of the camera and just talking. So here I am just talking, and I'm going to rant about something later in this video. I don't want this video to be so long, but yeah. And my mom is trying to upset me by making noise. Mommy! So you guys, the lights have not been stable, and if you're a content creator, you know this, you need lights to film, to edit, and to do a lot of things, and lights have not been stable. But thank God there's lights today. I plan to film because I haven't charged my batteries for my lights. So I was saying, even if they don't bring the lights, I'm going to film. And as I was ready to start filming, they brought the lights back, and I was so excited. All I have to just say in this economy is that it is well, because there's nothing we can do than to just adjust and all that. Well, it is well. Like I said, I'm just making this video to talk to you guys and to just get a lot of things off my chest. And I miss seeing the camera and talking to the camera. And this is just so exciting. And it's funny, right? Like missing talking to the camera, and I'm not talking to him. I'm talking to you guys, but I'm not seeing you guys. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I miss that. So first of all, you guys, life after school is complete messy. It is messy, it is confusing, it is like my life right now. I don't understand it. It's just on pause. And tell me why I was ready to go to anywhere NYC posts me to, and the next thing I'm opening my NYC portal to see you have been moved to stream 2. Like, I don't understand. You guys, I don't understand. And you know, if you have not served, you cannot just move on to do anything. Like my life, someone just press pause on my life right now because I don't understand. I'm not doing anything, and my business faces by Ruby. I've just been so lazy. Not even lazy, like I'm just not interested in that right now. Like my head is not in that space right now. So like I just ignored it. Which day I just opened the page. I'm like, okay. It's not that I've been working, but like I'm not posting anything. Oh my God, NYSC, they're just running the streets left, right, center. I don't do give up, but I'm this close. So let's see what happens this April. You guys, when I saw that I was moved to stream 2, I was just completely upset and irritated because why are you moving me to stream 2? I told you I want to be in stream 1, and you're then moving me to stream 2. Like, who asked you to do that? Because you guys are also upset, and that was why I just decided I was going to make my hair, because I left my hair messy for a while, just waiting to be ready to go to camp before making my hair. And I was so upset when I saw you have been moved to stream, so I was just angry. I just told my mom I want to make my hair, and that was when I did that hair. If you have not watched my maintenance vlog, you can go and watch it. That was when I made my hair, I made my nails, I did my lashes and all that, because I just wanted to feel pretty. It's been a while I did that, and I was so excited doing that. And moving me to stream 2 now, I just said, whoa, I'm going to enjoy my life. That was when I went to my friend's house, like to just spend a week, because she knew how upset I was about the moving to stream 2. She knew how upset I was about the moving to stream 2 and all that. So yeah. So you guys, let's talk about body shaming. What do you people want in this life? I reduced. People complain, telling me, why did you reduce? Why did you lose weight? And all because of the stress in school. Like you guys, I've always been, how do I put it? I'm not a slim girl. I'm small, but I'm not slim and I'm not fat. I'm just normal. So like only my child, I was fat like when I was small. Because you are slim, people will say, why are you slim? Are you not eating? Are you not doing that? Is it that you want to buy me food? Because I don't understand. Because I got that a lot when I came back from school. Like people telling me I lost weight. Is it that I was not eating well and all? And me, when I'm really, really stressed, I eat, but like I lose weight when I'm stressed sometimes, and sometimes I add weight back. So like I got back and people are telling me I lost weight, am I not eating and all that. Now I have peace of mind. I am not doing anything. I am in my house 247 and I'm adding the weight back, and you people are still complaining that I am adding weight. What do you want from me? Because I don't understand again. Like, what do you want? See, you people are body shaming. I don't understand. Like, just look at somebody and keep quiet. Why are you body shaming? The person is fat, is none of your business. The person is slim, is none of your business. It's not that you want to buy the person food or buy the person foodstuffs in this economy. So, like, just shut it. Keep quiet. Because, like, it's really upsetting. Like, when people are talking, you don't know what the person is going through, you guys. You don't know what the person is going through. You don't know if the person is going through, what is it called? What is it called? Oh my god. English is failing me right now. You don't know if the person is depressed. Okay, you don't know if the person has low self-esteem about his or her body, and you are just there commenting about the person's body. Like, it's not nice at all. We should do better, please. Like, I'm working on myself, because I am guilty with that. Like, telling people, you have added weight. But I'm not saying that from a point of hate. I'm saying that from like, okay, this weight looks good on you, or you're just enjoying yourself. But I'm trying to like keep my mouth shut in saying that, because I don't know what the person is going through and all. You guys, let's just do better about body shaming. Positive, negative, like just say the positive things and just leave it as that. The person lost weight is none of your business. Added weight is none of your business. So like, let's just do better, you guys. Okay, let's just do better, guys. NYSC updates, I already said that earlier. I was moved to stream 2, and fingers crossed I'll go for stream 2. I'll definitely go for stream 2, because I'm tired of sitting at home. So like, fingers crossed, and pray that I get the state I want. Okay, you guys. And if you love my hair and you want to know how I achieve this hairstyle, head over to my TikTok, and my TikTok account name will be on the screen. And if you love my makeup, I just filmed a makeup tutorial right now. So if you want to know how I achieve this, that video will go up before this. This video was not planned. I just wanted to like just get these things off my chest, and I'm sure the video is not long. But thank you so much, guys, if you watched this video to this point. If you enjoyed me ranting, because like I was upset and it was really irritating me. Okay, so if you watch this video to this point, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment, share this video to your friends. And if you are not subscribed yet, please, what are you waiting for? Are you not enjoying this channel? Like, are you not enjoying the consistency every Friday? I'm really proud of myself for being consistent, because I said that at the beginning of this year, that I want to be consistent. And if you watch my life updates, like the first video of this year, I also said it there, and I'm really excited. And thank you to my sister, my brother, and my mom for keeping me in check every time. Do you have a video for this week? Do you have a video for this week? Even when I was sick and I could not edit, she just said, look for something that is not so complicated to like edit. And my sister, I'm missing my sister, you guys, and hopefully she comes home soon. So yeah, that's the Let's Chat. And I think I'm going to start a series on this channel, like life in my 20s. You guys, in your 20s, you're confused. There is nothing you will tell me. You are confused in your 20s, don't knowing what to do. Nobody can tell me otherwise because you are confused. Okay, so yeah, this video is just Let's Chat, and I enjoyed myself, and I hope you enjoyed it too. And if you have anything to say, just say it in the comment section. I'll definitely reply to the comments. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.